Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It is on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meals, she will impress you. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making cornbread, but this one is a Jiffy Cornbread hack. So make sure you watch the video all the way through. So the ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 boxes of Jiffy honey corn muffin mix, 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 stick of salted butter. Okay guys, you can set your oven to 375 degrees. So I have a large bowl here and I have a sieve. I'm going to pass my corn muffin mix through it. You want your mix to be nice and smooth with no lumps. Okay, I'm just going to sift my second bag of the corn muffin mix. Okay guys, you want your cornbread mix to be nice and smooth like this. Now we're going to add in our 2 eggs. Our buttermilk, our sugar, and also our sour cream. Now we're just going to whisk it all together until it's well combined. Now you want to get a cast iron skillet and we're going to place half of our butter into it. You're going to place it in your 375 degree oven and we're going to let the butter melt. Okay, once your butter is nice and melted and your cast iron skillet is still hot, you want to go ahead and pour your cornbread mixture in. Now we're going to place it into our oven for 30 minutes. Okay guys, our cornbread is now out the oven. Look how pretty that is. So now your other half of your butter, I'm going to go ahead and melt it. While our cornbread is hot, we're going to take a brush and just brush the butter on top of it. So now I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes before I cut into it. Okay guys, so look how nice and fluffy and moist this is. So of course it's time to taste it. This is really good, guys. This is another recipe I hope you guys try. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?